Today write some important question on amine. Important question and answer on amine. First, complete the following. Complete the following. Number 1, CH3CONH2 এরর উপরে Br2 আর KOH. Number 2, CH3CN এরর উপরে লিথিয়াম অ্যালুমিনিয়াম হাইড্রাইড. Number 3, CH3NC এরর উপরে ওয়াটার H+. Number 4, C2H5NH2 এরর উপরে KOH alcoholic and chloroform. Number 5, aniline H2SO4 concentrated heat are 475 Kelvin. Number 6, C6H5NO2 SN/HCl reduction. Number 7, aniline reacts with bromine water. So write the answer of the following question. First you write the question. Hello student, all of you first write the question. All of you first write the question. All are important conversion in the for CBSE board exam. Now acetamide, CH3CONH2, it is acetamide. Acetamide when heated with bromine and KOH, what is the name reaction? Hoffman hypobromide reaction or Hoffman degradation reaction. What will be product? An amine, CH3NH2 plus K2CO3 plus KBr plus water. CH3NH2 plus K2CO3 plus KBr. This is the main product, methylamine. This is the methyl cyanide. A reduction by lithium aluminum hydride. This is reduction. Cyanide on reduction always produce primary amine. The product will be CH3CH2NH2 ethylamine, a primary amine. Any type of cyanide on reduction by lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen nickel always produce primary amine. This is the isocyanide, CH3NC isocyanide, water hydrolysis. Isocyanide on hydrolysis form carboxylic acid, but isocyanide on hydrolysis always form formic acid and a primary amine. So product is HCOOH plus CH3NH2, a primary amine and formic acid. This is also an important name reaction. Primary amine heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. When primary amine is heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, carbylamine reaction, it form isocyanide C2H5NC plus 3KCl plus 3 water. Carbylamine reaction, primary amine when heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, it gives a foul smell of carbylamine. Aniline when heated with sulfuric acid, it first forms a salt NH3 plus HSO4 minus. On heating it undergo rearrangement to form NH2 and SO3H. This is known as sulfanylic acid. So aniline aniline is a base, reacts with sulfuric acid to form alanine hydrogen sulfate. This on heating at 475 Kelvin eliminate one molecule water and undergo rearrangement to form sulfanylic acid. Nitrobenzene on reduction in acidic medium form aniline C2H5NH2 plus 2H2O. Aniline when treated with bromine water, it undergo a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. So these are some important reaction of aniline. This amine, you must remember this type of reaction. All of you have completed. Student, all of you have completed this. Okay. So this is one type of question. Now write another type of question that come in the board exam. No sir, do quick. Okay, last one. This is 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, a white precipitate is formed. Aniline when heated with bromine, it forms a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Syllabus chemistry I have already informed in the at least 2 months ago. Chapter 1 for solid state and in physical chemistry, and chapter 1 in organic, that is haloalkane and haloarine. Solid state and haloalkane and haloarine is a syllabus for upcoming exam. 10 MCQ from solid state and 10 MCQ from haloalkane and haloarine. Now next type of question. Convert the following. Number 1, CH3NH2 methylamine, 2 C2H5NH2 ethylamine, and vice versa. Number 2, CH3COOH acetic acid 2, CH3NH2 and C2H5NH2. Number 3, aniline 2 fluorobenzene. Number 4, benzamide 2 phenol. Number 5, fluorobenzene 2 aniline. Number 6, nitrobenzene 2 para nitroaniline. Number 7, aniline 2 para hydroxyazobenzene. Aniline 2, and last one, number 8, ethanol 2 propanoic acid. Ethanol 2 propanoic acid. You have to convert this following. First one, this is very important, methylamine to ethylamine and vice versa, that is ethyl to methyl. Number 2, acetic acid to methylamine and ethylamine. Number 3, aniline to fluorobenzene. Number 4, benzamide to phenol. Number 6, chlorobenzene to aniline. Number 5, number 6, nitrobenzene to para-nitroaniline. Number 7, aniline to para-hydroxyazobenzene. And number 8, ethanol to propanoic acid? All of you first write the question. Now, first one answer. Methylamine to ethylamine, you have to increase one carbon, reacts with nitrous acid, it give alcohol. Primary amine when reacts with nitrous acid always form alcohol. Then reacts with PCl5 to feed CH3Cl. OH is replaced by Cl. Reaction with alcoholic KCN. Cl is replaced by Cn, cyanide. Now reduction by lithium aluminium hydride. The product is CH3 CH2 NH2, CH3 CH2 NH2, primary amine. So this is methylamine, this is ethylamine. Okay, write this answer first. So this is methylamine, first convert into alcohol, then alkyl halide, then cyanide. If you convert into cyanide, then one carbon is increased, then a reduction give ethylamine. Now vice versa, that is ethylamine to methylamine. Ethylamine to methylamine. So first write ethylamine, C2H5NH2. Again you write HNO2, nitrous acid, alcohol, C2H5OH. Now oxidation by K2Cr2O7 or H plus. It directly give acid CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Now heat with ammonia. Heat with ammonia. When heated with ammonia, it form acetamide. CH3CONH2. This acetamide, when undergo Hofmann degradation, Br2 and KOH, it form methylamine, CH3NH2. The CO is removed. So for step down reaction, you undergo Hofmann degradation reaction, and for step up reaction, reacts with alcoholic KCN. So this is the methylamine to ethylamine to methylamine. Have you completed? Have you completed this question number 1? Methyl to ethyl and ethyl to methyl. Now next one. Next one. Acetic acid to methylamine. First acetic to methylamine. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. It is question number 2. So heat with ammonia. Heat with ammonia, acetamide, CH3CONH2. Now reacts with Hofmann degradation, Br2 and KOH. That is ethylamine, CH3NH2. This is the acetic acid to ethylamine, methylamine. আর একটা কি হচ্ছে ethylamine. From acetamide, you reduce by lithium aluminium hydride, then oxygen is replaced by hydrogen, CH3 CH2 NH2. This is the ethylamine. So first you convert acetic acid to acetamide by heating with ammonia. Acetamide on a reduction give ethylamine, and on Hofmann hypobromide reaction give methylamine. Okay. বাবা 8 জন হয়ে গেল আবার শেষ মুহূর্তে সব জয়েন করছে সব আচ্ছা নেক্সট aniline to fluorobenzene, very important reaction. Aniline to fluorobenzene. What is the formula of aniline? Aniline to fluorobenzene. This is the aniline. benzene ring upore NH2 aniline. Now it reacts with diazonium reaction NaNO2 oblique HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade. It forms benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus. Then heat with HBF4. It forms fluorobenzene. Hydrofluoroboric acid when heated it forms fluorobenzene plus nitrogen plus BF3 plus BF3. This is the only way to introduce fluorine atom in benzene ring, and the reaction is known as Balch-Siemann reaction. BALZSCHIEMANN, Balch-Siemann reaction, aniline to fluorobenzene. Now next, benzamide to phenol. What is the formula of benzamide? Benzene ring upore CONH2 benzamide. Heat with Hoffman degradation Br2 and KOH. It gives aniline. Now diazonium reaction NaNO2 oblique HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene ring upore N2 plus Cl minus. Now when boil with water, it warm water, not boil, warm, thus heat, it gives phenol. So benzamide to phenol. This is benzamide and this is phenol. Benzamide to phenol. Now next one, chlorobenzene to aniline. What is the formula of chlorobenzene? This is reacts with ammonia in presence of cupric chloride catalyst at 300 degree centigrade. It forms aniline, benzene ring NH2 plus HCl. So chlorobenzene when heated with ammonia in presence of cupric chloride catalyst, it forms aniline. Chlorobenzene to aniline. Now next, nitrobenzene to para-nitroaniline. What is the formula of nitrobenzene? Benzene ring upore NO2, nitrobenzene, para-nitroaniline. So SN oblique HCl reduction NH2. Now direct nitration is not possible, so block the group CH3COCl to form acetanilide NaCO-CH3. This is called acetanilide. Now nitration, concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is a para-directing group. So upure NaCO-CH3, para position NO2, Now hydrolysis, this group again reconverted to NH2. So benzene ring NH2, here NO2, that is para-nitroaniline. So first convert, you know nitrobenzene is a meta-directing, so direct nitration give meta product, para product is not possible, so you convert into aniline, then block the group NH2 by acetylation, either by acetyl chloride or by acetic anhydride to form acetanilide, which undergo nitration to form a para product, and this para product on hydrolysis give para-nitroaniline. Now aniline to para-hydroxyazobenzene, aniline থেকে para-hydroxyazobenzene, first diazonium chloride formation NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degree centigrade, it forms benzene diazonium chloride. This reacts with phenol, at pH 9 to 10 to form this compound. This is azobenzene para-positional hydroxy OH group. That is this hydrogen and this Cl eliminate at HCl to form para-hydroxy azobenzene. A orange dye is produced. So this is aniline, this is para-hydroxy azobenzene. Now last one, methanol to propanoic acid. What is the formula of ethanol? C2H5OH reacts with PCl5, then C2H5Cl. Now reacts with alcoholic KCN, then C2H5CN, ethyl cyanide. Hydrolysis give C2H5COOH, that is propanoic acid. For step of reaction, you first convert alcohol to alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KCN to form alkyl cyanide. This cyanide on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. Hello student, any problem about this type of conversion? Okay, now another type of question, that is give reason. You write the another type of question, give reason or explain. This is also very important question for amine chapter. Explain the following. Number 1, aniline is less basic than ammonia. Number 2, ethyl amine is more basic than ammonia. Number 3, direct nitration of aniline gives a considerable amount of meta product. Number 4, alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KCN to give cyanide, but with alcoholic AgCN it gives isocyanide. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. So you write these 5 questions of explanation type. First, aniline is less basic than ammonia. Number 2, ethylamine is more basic than ammonia. Number 3, direct nitration of aniline gives a considerable amount of meta product. Number 4, alkyl halide reacts with alcoholic KCN to give cyanide, but with alcoholic AgCN it gives isocyanide. Last one, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. I only discussed the answer of the question. You write at home in your own language. Aniline. In aniline, the lone pair electron of nitrogen atom involve resonance with benzene ring. So it is less available for protonation. So aniline is less basic than ammonia. You know aniline has a benzene ring. So this lone pair electron involve resonance with the benzene ring to give a ortho and para position become negative charge. So lone pair electron on nitrogen atom is not easily available for protonation as compared to ammonia. So aniline is less basic than ammonia. Ethylamine formula C2H5NH2 or ammonia HNH2. If we compare H and C2H5, which has greater plus I effect, C2H5. Plus I effect means electron releasing group. So it releases electron towards NH2 group. So due to greater plus I effect of ethyl group, the electron density around nitrogen atom increase. So the lone pair is easily available for protonation. So due to plus I effect of ethylamine, the basic character of ethylamine is more. Direct nitration of aniline gives a considerable amount of meta product. Aniline, if you undergo nitration, then it gives a considerable amount of meta product. Mane para-nitroaniline is obtained as 51%, meta-nitro 47%, and ortho-nitro only 2%. Why this take place? Because aniline is a base. You use concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. This hydrogen atom, a proton, reacts with NH2 group to form benzene ring upre NH3 plus. This is known as anilinium ion. Due to formation of anilinium ion, which is meta-directing group, so a considerable amount of meta product is obtained. So meta product is obtained due to formation of anilinium ion. Alkyl halide reacts with KCN to give cyanide, but AgCN to give. Cn minus is an ambidentate ligand. Cn minus is an ambidentate ligand. Now carbon and nitrogen both acts as a donor center. Now KCN is an ionic compound, so it furnishes Cn minus ion. Now carbon if form donor center, then CC bond is formed. If nitrogen form donor center, then Cn bond is formed. CC bond is stronger than Cn. So carbon-carbon bond is formed to form cyanide. But silver cyanide is a covalent compound, not ionic compound like KCN. So it does not produce Cn minus ion. So if it remains in the molecular form, then nitrogen acts only as a donor center. Then nitrogen-carbon bond is formed to form isocyanide. So main reason KCN is a ionic compound. It produces cyanide ion which acts as an ambidentate ligand, but AgCN is a covalent compound. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, what is the Lewis acid, aluminum chloride? It produces the carbocation CH3 plus or CH3CO plus. Now aniline have a lone pair electron on NH2 group. This lone pair electron form a coordinate bond with the Lewis acid, aluminum chloride. So aluminum chloride is not available for production of carbonium ion. So Friedel-Crafts reaction does not undergo by aniline. So aniline, since aniline is basic, it has lone pair electron on nitrogen atom. So when we add the reagent, that is Lewis acid, aluminum chloride, it form a coordinate bond. So aluminum chloride is saturated with electron, so it cannot form carbocation from alkyl halide, so it does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, students. So these are some important questions, and there are another some question is left that I will